environment. We already know what is our environment. Environment means our surrounding. We already know what is our environment. Environment we know means our surrounding. Our environment depends on the our behavior depends on the environment which we will grow. Means our behavior, whether it is good or bad, it is depend on our environment from which we are grown. If there is a bad environment, means it is not not clean or polluted. There is a poisonous oxygen or harmful gases infectious that may fall effect on our health, that spoil our health. So our first there must be our environment clean, neat and fresh, well trees greenish, so that we can respire properly a well good oxygen air from which we can survive our healthy life. So this is our environment, is small introduction on which our health, on which our behavior. Our behavior is depend on our environment from which we are grown. First we should keep our environment clean, whether it may our house, or colony or our village. We should maintain cleanliness in our environment. If we not maintain that become a bad habit to us. So we should work on our in a healthy environment. We should work in healthy environment. Means we not find where is healthy environment. We should maintain our environment as healthy by growing more trees, more plants, etc. Then come to our ecosystem. In environment, the topic is ecosystem and its components. Ecosystem, what is meant by ecosystem? Here we learn what is ecosystem and its components. Ecosystem, all the interacting organism in area together with the non-living and living components. That is known as ecosystem. Means ecosystem where the living organisms with non-living organism, that area is known as ecosystem. Ecosystem. In ecosystem there are two types: natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. In components, there are two components. We know what is ecosystem, and in area where the all living organism, whether it is micro, small or big, with non-living things, that is known as ecosystem. In ecosystem, natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem means the ecosystem, but it is nature itself. Nature itself, it is non-man-made. It is natural in our ecosystem, that is known as natural ecosystem. For example, mountains, rivers, etc. Mountains are mountain and rivers are nature itself. They are not made by any man. They are nature itself. For they are known. These are the example of the natural ecosystem. Then artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem is the ecosystem that is maintained or balanced by human beings. For example, swimming pools, gardens, farms. Artificial ecosystem is the ecosystem that is maintained, balanced by the human beings. For example, swimming pool, garden and farms. It is artificial ecosystem. Then components, biotic components. Biotic components means living components. Biotic components are nothing but the living components. It is a scientific name, so it is biotic components are nothing but living components. Living components, for example, microorganisms such as amoeba, then plants, animals, human beings, all come under the biotic components. These are the biotic components. Then abiotic components are the components on which living components are dependent. Abiotic components means, for example, sunlight, moonlight, temperature, rocks, then mountains. All they are in nature, but they are not living. They are non-living, on which living organisms are dependent. For example, air, oxygen, whether it is oxygen or carbon dioxide, on which living organisms are dependent. We are dependent on oxygen for our respiration. These are known as the abiotic components. Air, sunlight, temperature, etc. Means abiotic components are the components. It is very necessary, essential for the life of the component, life of the biotic components. Without abiotic components, biotic components can't survive in ecosystem. This is our ecosystem and its components.